Hey guys, good evening. Good evening, how are you? Online people, am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Yes, very good. Afuddin, Sheikh, Hassan, Marishati, Basha, Sachakiran, Shanti, Vamshi, Sai Sudhir. Yeah. So today we'll discuss some projects so that you'll get a clear idea about that, about algorithms and everything. You'll get a clear idea about. So today agenda, before going to agenda, I will quickly write the admin numbers. Online admin, Nagababu sir. What is the Nagababu sir number bolo? Number bolo china. Number बताओ रे. याद नहीं है. I will write again. Online people, that is your responsibility, na? You should say the number. 9063042468. Admin number. And online admin, and one more name is Preem sir is there. Preem sir. Preem sir number is 799 and 7901. Thanks ma, Danyeshwar. And offline admin is offline admin. The offline admin we have Ajay sir. Ajay sir number is, bolo Ajay sir number bolo. 799 fancy number, no? You should also buy one fancy number. Ajay sir and Rakesh sir and Beam sir. So 3 members are available here in the offline admin. And the trainer name is from last weekend, and like yesterday I got some calls. I'm responding to everyone. Call me if you have any doubts, talk to me. Omkar sir, 970196233. जो भी डाउट हो ఓకే मेरे को पूछो. You have any doubts, you can talk to me. మీకు ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా నాతో మాట్లాడేయండి. ఓకే చలో. That is the numbers. The above number is important. That is done ma. That is the one thing. Next thing, and next thing is the admin saying that admin says everyone got the email. Everyone got the email. Email conversation has happened, formal email conversation. Have you noticed ma, online people, online students? Have you noticed? It's coming, yeah, Darshan. Don't copy paste also. Full stack data science. This kind of email you will get ma. Instead of 9 a.m. you will get 5:30 p.m. Here everything, every detail will be available. That is 27,000 with videos and 21,000 without videos. And the recording videos, previous recording videos are available, and the certifications, and in the down, your course curriculum also will be available. All the things, all the communication will be shared with you. Now, according to that, if you feel like that the communication is not able to properly communicate it to you, Omkar sir is there with you, don't worry. Just talk to with me. Clear ma, online people? Say yes, 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 yes. Online students. Yeah. So let's discuss today. Let's discuss some projects. Let's discuss some projects. Then you'll get some clear idea what your course will be, what you are going to do in this entire course. Before going to that, you'll get my Narendra. Don't worry. Even though if you are not able to get email also, email is not a ultimate thing, ma. Your already numbers are there. They will call you. I think every day you got one call. If I'm not wrong. Naresh Shetty management already called you. Online people, correct? Yes or no? If I'm not wrong, they already called you. Correct? Yeah. They already called you. They'll call you. Don't worry. Okay? Because till now we are not established any bots to call you. Robotics. Only human beings only calling. So the human beings will call slowly. Okay? Don't worry. In future, we'll replace every human being with bots. That then bots will call you immediately. Chalo ma? My number will not connect, sir, because I'm from UK. Message me, WhatsApp message me, Narendra. Say hi to me. We'll discuss. Okay? Chalo. Now next. Yesterday we will learn four type of algorithms we will learn. Four type of algorithms. What are the first type of algorithm? Tell me. Bolama, first type of algorithm. Machine learning models. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms. Second one is what, ma? Deep learning algorithms. Deep learning algorithms. And third one is what, ma? Natural language process. And fourth one is what, ma? Fourth one is a generative AI. Generative AI. So this Sunday we have workshops also on the generative AI. This Sunday, coming Sunday, 10 a.m. I think. 10 a.m. only. We will do 10 p.m. 10 a.m. only. So 10 a.m. we have a workshop is there. Everyone will attend. So we'll discuss about the workshop also. Don't worry. So these four models. Before going to that, if any random guy will ask you, what is the machine learning? What is AI? What is your answer? If anyone, if your Bapaji is coming, your grandfather is coming, your grandfather is asking, beta, अरे तू क्या पढ़ रहे है नरेश शेट्टी में? You'll say data science and AI. हाँ, they'll ask you what is that? क्या बोलता उसको? बोलो राचिना, बोलो थोड़ा बताओ ना. AI में क्या? AI means how can you explain? हाँ? बोलो AI means how can you explain? हाँ? Give feedback, human intelligence give to the machine. Give fed the historical data to create an algorithm. First of all, Darshan and Balu, you are very good. I like you, but my grandfather illiterate. Whenever you say algorithm, na, he will say like this. What is the meaning of algorithm? My grandfather illiterate, Chinna. How can you explain to my grandfather, not your grandfather? And next thing is human intelligent mission. Mission will say that when he say washing machine. My grandfather को वो समझाता हो. Mission means washing machine. Tell me, how can you explain to a grandfather what is AI? Think and tell me. 2 minutes I'll give time. I will give chocolate tomorrow. Those who tell. पक्का chocolate. But online people Zomato. बताओ. Taking past data. Taking past data. By using patterns. Instead of saying this, all these things, this is the definition. Whenever you want to explain to anyone, you always provide one example. Anyone. Grandfather को थोड़ा example दिखाओ. Grandfather को थोड़ा example दिखाओ. Grandfather, oh kya? He will say something, na? Ask him how he is saying. Are you getting? Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes, Sadguru, who knows a lot. He's a Sadguru only. So whenever now onwards, whenever you want to explain anything to the any illiterate person, give me always one example. Example says, you need to say some example. Like example means what? Now, Papa, how you will drive the car? How you will drive the car? Just ask him. When you are driving, the next question. When you are driving, when you are driving the car, if any human being, when any human being comes to the in front of the car, how can you know he is a human being, he is not an animal? How do you know that? Ask him. Okay, I am asking now. When you are driving a bike, a human being is coming. How can you know he is a human, he is not an animal? Tell me. Huh? By differentiating by patterns. How? What is the meaning of differentiating? Means you already seen, na? You already seen. Your mama told he is a human being. Otherwise, what you will say? He is an animal means what you will say? Animal or not? Are you getting what I am saying? So first what kind of data you are feeding, first it will see the data. According to that data, it will be trained. That kind of examples you need to give the real time. So how you are thinking, the exact thinking intelligence we are putting in a machine, and that is called AI. That is called AI. So you are saying that when you are coming to the room, the fan is very, very low, level 2. You are saying that increase the fan speed. Then that a human being increasing till 5, 3 nahi chahiye, 4 nahi chahiye, 5 nahi chahiye. Like the human being increasing the rotate the fan speed. When you are entering, automatically the AC speed will be increased based on your temperature, your body temperature. Instead of a human being doing, automatically AI machine is doing or not? That kind is intelligence. So before going to that, this machine learning means we need a data. Here, which data we are feeding? Tell me, ma. Tabular data, or we can say Excel data, or we can say CSV data. What is the full form of CSV? Comma, separated value, comma, separated value. All are that. Let's take one data set. Let's look at this data set. We'll open now. This is one data set now. So this is a data set, name is called wine quality. Quality of the wine data set. Which data set? Quality of the wine data set. Before that, in order to know any quality of the wine, you have some inputs are there. What is the first one? Fixed acidity, volatile acidity, citric acid, residual sugar, chlorides, free sulfur dioxide, total sulfur dioxide, density, pH, sulfates, alcohol, quality. Now I am copying these values. I am pasting here. Let's look at here, ma. Oh, not copied. Huh? Here, what are the inputs? What are the output? Follow. What are the input? What are the output? What is your goal? The goal of the problem statement is find the wine quality. Getting boys? When you drink some wine, na, oh, thoda acha hota, oh, thoda na acha hota, you will tell, na. How you will say? That is called what? Wine quality. So here, use your common sense and tell me what is output here. What is the output here? Loudly. Quality. Which is the output here? Quality is the output. What is the input? Fixed acidity is the input. Volatilic acidity is the input. Citric acid is the input. Residual sugar is the input. Chlorides is the input. Free sulfur dioxide is the input. Total sulfur dioxide is the input. Density is the input. Sulfate is the input. Alcohol is the input. Whenever you enter these values, fixed acidity 10, volatile acidity 15, and citric acidity 20, you are entering some values. When you enter some values, automatically the machine learning model will say the quality of the wine is around 3. The quality of the wine is what? How much? 3. For example, 3 means what? 0 means low quality, 5 means high quality, 3 means medium quality. For example, so this output is giving what is the quality? Quality number medium. That is the who is giving? A human being will test and will give. Now no need of human being. Now a ML model will do. That is called what? Machine learning. That we can do that with a Python code. For example, now I will show the projects. Okay, in the projects, entire thing Python code will be there, and we will create the apps. I will show the apps. Now your concentrate should be think like this. I am what I am going to learn in the future. Don't think like now right away how to write the code. How to write the code is my responsibility because you are still a baby. You are just a first day. When you are watching a Prabhas movie, just enjoy the Prabhas acting. Don't think like how to act like Prabhas. How to act like Prabhas after later. Okay, now just first time enjoy the Prabhas movie. That is called. Some people what they will know, sir, how can I read this code, sir? Itna lamba code, this code, that code. That is only this course. This is a VS Code setup. It is a VS Code setup. That is, let's take one project. ML Python regression. Let's see. ML Python regression. CD linear regression. Wine quality, streamlit host prediction, and streamlit wine quality. Streamlit run app streamlit.py. Let's see. It is application. At the end, you will show the client to this application, but backend your Python code, your machine learning algorithms will run. So what is the same thing? What is it? Wine quality is the heading and streamlit while quantity ML application. You need to enter the values here. Now enter the values, Chinna. 10. No, I'm entering some random values. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and predict the answer is predict. The answer is coming what? Minus 969. These are random values. But ultimately, your goal is what? You need to create these applications in the future. That is called machine learning application. Clear, my online people? Say yes, 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 yes. Not only. Just now I ask you, na? Marisheti? You are saying that how Prabhas is jumping from top to bottom. Building to one building to another building, how Prabhas is jumping. Okay, that's why I ask you. That is, we learn. Okay, I can't teach you right away, na? Marisheti. How did understand that output should be in the orange color? In the back end, we will write. In the back end, we will write. So again, I'm asking you, enjoy the class. Enjoy the movie. Okay, don't think like that how to write. how to write only your course. That is only your course. 5 months course is that only. And every day we will practice. Enjoy the movie. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. House prediction. House prediction. So, suppose there are 2 bedrooms, 2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2000 SFT. Suppose ले लो 3 BHK ले लो 3 BHK, 2000 SFT, fully gated community, fully gated community. Yes, prime location, yes, average population around 20 million. Yes, then tell me the price of the house. Tell me the price of the house. Like that. How much could be the price of the house? Tell me. Any expectations? This kind of real time price? Huh? कितना? 2 CR. हाँ 2 CR. 2 CR. क्या 1.2 CR? 2 CR minimum. हाँ 2 CR minimum चाहिए. If you want this kind of things. Especially in Hyderabad. That is. So 2 CR. Let's take an example. This is called Streamlit application. Ma. This time we'll take another code. We'll take another code. Python CD linear regression house prediction Flask. We'll take Flask now. Flask deployment. Flask will give endpoint. This is all we will learn in the class. Ma. This is all we will learn in the class. Yeah, median income. Median income, suppose 100. I'm giving some random values. House age is the 20. Suppose population is the 20. And average occupation people and 20. Suppose some value, 1 or 2 value, that is the $12.72. Okay. Such a random values. But ultimately, you need to develop what? Backend. Machine learning, algorithms. You need to develop this kind of use cases for the client. So this is house prediction. So next. So what we have seen here, suppose one problem, wine quality. Another problem is house prediction. House prediction. Let's see another example. Another example, you will stay with the company or not. Stay with the company or not based on one example that is called churn prediction. What is that? That is the model name is called churn prediction. Let's see the data first. The churn prediction data. ML Python classification. Churn prediction. So this is the data. Suppose telecom churn data. Telecom churn data, this is one of the real-time problem statement that I have worked with the Accenture Bell Canada. Bell Canada. Let's see that what is the meaning is called. Suppose the Airtel customer is there, ma. Airtel customer year, Airtel customer ID, phone number, uska gender, uska age. It is exactly like Netflix, Amazon thing is called. Number of days subscribed, multi-screen available or not, mail subscribed, weekly minutes watched, minutes daily minutes, maximum daily minutes, weekly maximum night limits, videos watched, maximum days inactive, customer support calls, he stay with the OTT platform or not. So when he born, suppose he born 2000, what is the customer ID? The customer ID is 1234. उसका phone number क्या? Phone number is suppose 333. Gender is what? Gender is equal to male. Age is equal to what? 20 years. How many days is subscribed? 180 days is subscribed. Means how many days, ma? 6 months. How many days you enrolled in the Netflix? How many? That's called meaning called what ma? Number of days subscribed. 180 days. Multi-screen available? Available multi-screen? Obvious na? 4 5 members, 10 members will share na? Yes. Mail subscribed? Yes. Weekly minutes. How many minutes you are watching ma? बोलो आप क्या वेब सीरीज देखते हैं अभी व्हाट वेब सीरीज यू आर वाचिंग नाउअडेज हाँ बोलो शिना अरे एवरीवन विल वॉच बोलो which web series you are watching no squid game squid game how many minutes you are watching weekly that is important watching is not important how many minutes you are watching is important 30 minutes so weekly 300 minutes you will do minimum daily limit bolo 60 maximum daily limits 120 एक घंटे और 2 घंटे वीकली नाइट मिनट्स पूरा नाइट में नाइट ओनली यू विल वॉच ना बिकॉज यू आर नॉट स्लीपिंग आई नो वीडियोस वॉच्ड यस हाउ मेनी डेज इनएक्टिव ओनली 1 day customer support calls yes now he will stay with the company or not stay with the company tell me will stay with the Netflix or not stay with the Netflix stay na is addicted to Netflix so churn is what yes churn is what yes now we will perform on this analysis we'll perform now the analysis so classification telecom customer churn then next go to command prompt then what is that python telecom customer class let's see that app follow the link customer churn here everything clear ma enter gender value male aithe 0 female aithe 1 multi screen yes or no email subscribed yes or no enter the age value number of days number of minutes every data is available you can edit the data also now predict it the answer is the telecom churn predicted is what stay is the answer so instead of a human being now backend what is running bolo loudly backend which model is running loudly machine learning algorithm online people you are not saying don't sleep machine learning algorithm suppose now let's go to the deep learning suppose let's go to the deep learning algorithms deep learning will focus on the images or video ma deep learning mainly focus on what ma either images or video so this is if you see entire thing which data ma tabular data deep learning also same only but is focus on images and videos let's see that how that images and videos will be there so this is called just now I showed you VS code this is called Google Colab it is also used for Python only so let's see that leave this is and these two models online people Nagababu sir messaging you ma today anyone join new can you please raise your hands online students yeah 5 members yeah Nagababu sir messaging in the group are you noticing ma Pavani Prerana Priyanka Sravanti Sunil Venkat say yes ma please confirm The recording videos, please take it, man, talk to me. So leaf disease algorithm, it is called pharma industry, no farmers, agriculture industry. Agriculture industry means this is called, how this is leaf is look like. Clean, huh? Bolo na re, how it is look like? Ye batao na. This is, some spots are there, na? This is, what is there look like? What is the name is there? Rust. What is there here? Rust. What is there here? Angular leaf spot. Angular leaf spot. And what is there here? Healthy. So how many categories are there now? Tell me. 3. What are those? Healthy, angular, and rusty. So now deep learning model will say if you provide any image, it will see that output. It will give the output. So you need to process some images. These are all a real-time data. It's a completely real-time project. Okay, it's taken the real-time images we did in the one project, and automatically your deep learning model will give you that output is a rusty. See this. Predictor label is what, Bean. Predicted means your model is predicting. Actually, rust is there, but model is saying what? Angular leaf. Model is saying that angular leaf. Actually, healthy is there. Sorry, top now. I am seeing wrong. My bad. Sorry. Actually, bean rust is there, Predicted also what, Bean rust. Actual what is there, Angular. Model also saying what, Angular. Actually, angular is there. Model also saying angular. So you are correct. Model also saying correct. So good model or bad model? Good model only. Very good model. That is the one thing. So we can do that images. Suppose if you want to predict some self-driving cars model, you need to predict some cars, buses like this. Any frog is there, any truck is there, deer, automobile. Even though that is, very, very compressed image also, it should be able to identify. Even though it is an enlarged image also, it should be able to identify. We should do all this analysis in the class. This is under which technology, Deep learning technology. But deep learning, computer vision is very, very important. Computer vision. So we will learn that computer vision also. For example, let's open the Jupyter notebook. So this is also one Python platform. Tomorrow we will learn this Python basics. Jupyter notebook. Let's open the OpenCV. Let's open the OpenCV. Suppose, so reading and writing images. First we'll learn the reading and writing images. So we will learn, this is called OpenCV. Everything I will write like this in the class, you should also write like me only, because everything is the interactive session only in the class. Means I will not explain like this, I will not share you, go to hostel, do it. ऐसे नहीं होता. In the class, you should do in front of me. Whenever you have an immediate doubt, you need to contact me on the spot. On the spot only, we will clear all your doubts. That is the interactive session in the class. So we'll read the images. Who is this guy? कौन है? पता है नहीं पता है? अयो, हाँ? Father of nation, not our father. Okay, not our nation. USA, USA. Benjamin Franklin. Who is that? Say it again. Khatam your zindagi. I am getting your future. Your kids will scold you. So we'll read it. Benjamin Franklin. And not only that, imaging reads conversions. This is the one color, this is another color. Conversions we will learn it, compressions we will learn it, and image operations, video analysis. Means Benjamin is how to compress the image and how to extract only eyes. That is called only small part of the image, how to extract it, how to extract those, and how to rotate that Benjamin. So why this is long happened is, what do you think is long happened output? Because in the class we will do experiments. In the class we will do experiments. I will not directly jaldi type output. That is nice. Nahi hota. I will give the task first to you. You need to do this. Then I will explain that. We will do in the class experiments. All are real time things. So we are masking how to mask that, how to mask it. And Benjamin is going down. Benjamin is going up. Benjamin is going flip. Benjamin is rotated. Benjamin will kill me, I know, when I go to near to Benjamin. So this will do all the analysis. Like this compress, just now I showed you na compress image. Like truck, frog, just now we see na, we need to compress the images. We need to identify it, the images. So Benjamin is coming to this side, left side and right side. You can play football with Benjamin. Like that. So OpenCV analysis. Then we will slowly will learn into face detection algorithm. Suppose I will detect that face. I will detect the faces. Face detection algorithm. For example, look at the board. So Benjamin is face detected or not? That's called face detection. And that face detection algorithms we will do. This is called all computer vision through. Then video. Online people, you want to see my face? Say yes, then only I will on it. Otherwise, I will show that. Are you proactive? Yes. So this is called face video, real-time video. You detect in the face. Color नहीं होता ना रे. Hi. Hello. How do you do? So detecting and going right. Stay. Like that. ऐसे होता. That is. So that is the face detection algorithms. Like eyes also you can detect. Eyes also detected. Eyes. So actually I have 4 eyes is there. It might not detect properly, but your eyes can detect. Aja, your eyes will be detected definitely. If I remove the cap, it will detect. But madam said that till you grow hair, you should don't remove the cap. That's why I'm not removing the cap. Okay. That is due to madam. Once I'll remove the cap, once it grow the hair. But let's see, at least some part we can identify or not. Remove. But I will. Array. Aja. Eyes also should come, but it will come. I will show in the different use case. Then my students are created that based on this, I given that number plate detection assignment. Like I told you, right? My students can write the articles in the LinkedIn. Articles write in the LinkedIn. My students write the articles in the LinkedIn. They will post it. They will got the good applause. Optimizing the deep learning. some articles like this. Students will write like this, the articles, and not only that, they will do the projects also. So this is the project, like number plate detection. Like I told that this is the real-time project. You will upload the image. When you upload the image, that will be detect the number plate. When detecting the number plate, Maharashtra 02 VD, automatically the detected number plate and the address, everything will be sent to the message. Violation, traffic violation, WhatsApp thing. So in the class, completely real-time projects only, because I am a real-time employee. Lots of projects are there to do. Okay. So I'm waiting for the good students. Don't see other messages. See only that. You cheaters. Next that. So students will also write the articles. So I have very, very good students are there. You also in one of that. So they will do that. Satish Trivedi. The articles on AI, they will do. Like every student, I will encourage, because this is the era of the social media era. I will not do much publicity in the narrative faculty. Only students with my name only they will come, because I am a real-time employee. I can't do that. If my company knows, na, they will catch me. Na. Already my manager knows that is. So like that. But you should do that. That publicity means wait. That the in LinkedIn platform, everyone should create the LinkedIn account. You need to post your works so that some people will call you. I got so many calls. Like this is hello sir, I am hiring. Like this is from Qatar interview request, and this is some ML ops guy. Like I told now, I'm talking with that guy, and NVIDIA generative AI and Capgemini opportunity, ML opportunity, like so many opportunities you'll get it. They'll ping you. HRs will know you. They'll ping you. That is the way you need to grow. That is the one thing. Suppose let's see some real-time object detections. Not only face and everything. Let's see the real-time object detections. Real-time object detections. Live detection. Let's see that live detection. Live, all the objects will detect using the YOLO algorithm. We'll learn every algorithm we learn from scratch with theory, with pen and paper, with Python coding, then do the projects. So the data science is the big thing, but easy when you break into step by steps with home cursor. And whenever you are good into one subject, and we will focus your career in that subject. That is either it's a finance domain, either it's a medical domain, or healthcare domain, or any domain. Online people, again, hi ma. So this is saying what? Person. If I see this, detecting that, madam also detecting person, and that it is actually mobile phone. No? Cell phone coming up, thoda. Bolo ra? Coming a bottle, phone, cell phone. I have only two hands. Okay, that is. So bottle and cell phone. Real-time object detection for self-driving car के लिए models. Online people. Hmm. And next, the same thing, the beauty of the class is the same thing we will learn in the Azure image analysis. Or seeing that Azure image analysis, the same thing, whatever we learn from scratch in our class, we learn the Azure also, we learn the apps also. For example, you see here, this is the image. This is the image. The image, what you are seeing from this image, tell me. बोलो loudly, loudly. Dog, man, horse, still grass. Now Azure also we provide the same image, but Azure you need a what you are saying? Azure cognitive services vision models. We'll learn how to connect with Azure also. Narrative blob storage and outdoor sky, grass, dog, person, ground, field, standing, horse. Even the human being missing also, everything is giving or not? Azure also we should learn. Cloud, any one cloud platform also we will learn as a course curriculum. So this about that thing. And not only that, when you come into the NLP, suppose speech to text, let's see that speech translation. I'm giving EN, HI, suppose. Hey guys, my name is Omkar Nalagoni. Now, when you talk it, here, hey guys, my name is. Hey dosto, mera naam hai. Like which language you want, that is. Here, HI. Which language? I like Odia people. So I'm writing OL. Let's see. Hey guys, my name is Omkar Nalagoni. Invalid. I think OL is not there, it is. O or something is there. We need to search that. For that, let's search using the Azure speech service also. We'll do that Azure services also. Let's see which language we are taking that Odia. So everything I will teach. All the documentation also my responsibility and everything A to Z till you perfect. Everything is my responsibility only. So here Azure speech translation service. Here is some Africans, Arabic, Armenia, Bangla, Bulgaria, Danish, Dutch, English, French, German, Gujarati, Hindi. Hindi is HI only, and Italian, Malayalam, Odia. Odia is nothing but what ma? OR. Let's keep OR and try. OR. Hey guys, did you understand something? What is that? What did you say? Huh? Hey, kya re? Something is coming. Okay. Huh? What's it na? What is that, Ra? Bolo, what is that meaning? How can I pronounce it? You? You will be able to understand pronunciation. And not that, how are you? Marathi kya hai? Marathi. Marathi kitna is there? Marathi is there, huh? Marathi MR, Let's see, MR. Unit, help me. Marathi mein, your name is what? What is your name? How can I say? Let's see. What is your name? Tell me. तुझे नाव करेक्ट रे तुझे नाव क्या है माल मला सांगा मला मीन्स फास्ट संगा मीन्स बोलो अच्छा we'll learn that don't worry and not only that ray again what we'll do Azure services also we will do same thing with Azure services here hey guys mera naam is Omkar I am from here to teach Azure services that is. And Azure services and that next suppose OCR techniques optical character recognitions OCR methods Suppose this invoice is there. I want to extract each and every information from the invoice. I want to extract. What is there here? Invoice, your company, bill to Alpha Bravo, road number 33, tire, steering wheel, engine oil, and brake pad. And all the data will be come to here like this. See? Invoice, your company, bill to John Doe, everything is coming or not? And this is called OCR, extracting the information. And not only that, how it is extracting, that due to some bounding box concept, that everything we will in the class we will learn that how to do. So each and every boxes it will identify. Suppose this the text is there. It is a lot of 12-point text to test our code and see if it is works on all types of file format. At the quick brown box dumped the same text here, again we are getting this. That is. And after that, I given to the my student the question, traffic signal jump identification. You want to automate, and just now I showed that output of my students. Same thing they did. That entire thing. How to do? Step number 1, step number 2. I will guide them and you should do. That is the approach we will process. And this in the NLP. Let's come to the Gen AI, suppose generative AI. Complete real-time project analysis, ma. Complete real-time only. Ultimately, we need to provide the use cases to the customers. That is only the job. So let's say this is called generative AI using the Gemini model, because Gemini is very free now. They are not asking any money. If you want to use the GPT, OpenAI, you need to pay $5 minimum. You need to pay the money. Because my client is Google, so I'll get the links very freely. Let's see this, how it works. So we are installing the package. This is a Google Colab. And tomorrow we'll start little Python. Then you'll understand how many platforms are there, which platform when to use, how to use. That is everything is my responsibility, ma. You need to just come with a simple laptop. That's all. Come with single laptop and come every day and ho jayega. Sab ho jayega. Simple. That is Omkar sir will take care of. Keep, my student will say that, keep calm, trust Omkar sir. Ho jayega. Sab ho jayega. That is it. They will say generally. Like that. So now here, let's run this model. So here we are providing. We'll upload the same that person image. Let's see that how generative AI will give. Back at Gemini AI will give. Yesterday we asked that, right? List of top 5 cricketers. Now we are uploading a file. We are uploading the files here. And now we are asking that describe the image. Now get response. Now the generative AI model will backend will say that what is that above image? What is that above image, ma? A eye level view of person standing in a dry grassy field with a dog at their feet and a white horse grazing nearby. So everything is giving or not? It is called generative AI skill. Now a student is asking me, sir, we will apply one use cases on this. Suppose for example in the Europe countries, they want to know their language only. Like French, that's why we learn the French, na? The Europe countries. And suppose Chinese is there, they will mostly, what happen mostly, their language only will be there. So shall we apply the language translation on this? In the back end, that is called a use case. So let's see here one language translation use case here. I'm stopping this. Language translation use case. That is one of the good applause use case in the outside industry. So many projects we will do. in the class. Let's see this. So let's run this. First, we need to run that installations. So what it will do is, we'll upload the same image, but this time we'll convert it into another language, as well as we'll give the some voice also, female voice or male voice. Maybe blind people hota na? Blind people, what happen? They can't see. They will only listen. So you need to click a play button also. They will talk. What is about the back end? That is also we'll see here. Definitely you will enjoy a lot with Omkar sir. There's no doubt at all. Our only focus is to get job the next 5 months. Let it run. Run. Okay, let's see now. Don't look about how to do that. How to do it in my job, ma'am. My job. Within 1 month, you will be perfect in Python. So browse the files. Suppose I'm browsing the same file, okay? I'm asking the same question. Describe about image. Now the image is coming and the describe also coming. Now this is the GenAI output described. Now which language you want to convert? बोलो इंग्लिश हिंदी ओडिया तेलुगु तमिल पंजाबी विच वन तेलुगु ले लेते एक बार हाँ తెలుగు చిత్రం యొక్క వివరణ ఇక్కడ ఉంది యూ విల్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ నా తెలుగు हिंदी हिंदी समझ आता हिंदी लेट्स सी हिंदी यह चाबी का विवरण है फोटे में एक शुष्क घास वाले मैदान में खड़े व्यक्तियों को दिखाया गया है जो एक सफेद घोड़ी की ओर देख रहे हैं जो चार कर रहे हैं something like that. Okay, so that is the language translation, and not that way we'll add that voice. Which voice you want, male or female? That voice also we can add. The voice you need to add one extra package. Now when you click on that, the voice will come. The voice will also will come like that. So this is the use case. Before we land, now we are applying what? Use case. In your mind, so when your course started, in your mind so many use cases will come. That all will put here. That all we will do that what is your use cases. And not only that, we will, tell me this again. This photo is given by output by generative AI model. This understood, Satyakiran? This output is generated by generative AI model. What is given that prompt? Describe about the image. Satyakiran gaya. Satyakiran, Chinna. Bolo yes na. Then once you got this output, we are converting into another language. Why we are focusing another language? In the some specific countries, so many user manuals in their own language will only be available. It's very, very important to convert one language to another language. Why we are adding the voiceover? Because blind people can't able to see. That's why we are adding what? Voiceover. Clear, ma Satyakiran? Not only that, we will add the chatbots also. We'll create the chatbots. Two types of chatbots will create it. Live chatbot For example, let's open the one chatbot. One class is not enough. My itna projects are there. But I will show some important projects. Chatbots. So Streamlit run Gemini chatbot different UI. Let's see. So it is the one chatbot ma. Whenever you type, automatically it will provide the date. Aaj date kya? 11th February. Tomorrow you open, automatically date will pop up. Just say that, hi, hello. Backend generative AI model will run ma. Greetings, how can I assist today? That's all the question. Who is Prime Minister? Prime Minister of an India, of India, let's say India. What will say answer? What do you think? Rahul Gandhi, Modi ji? Huh? Who are Rahul Gandhi fans in the class? Rahul Gandhi fans. No Rahul Gandhi fans. Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India. The best beauty of the chatbot is it's the interactive chatbot. Interactive chatbot means if you ask that when he born, he means who? Narendra Modi. Then let's see that Narendra Modi born September 17, 1950. That is he married? Married, huh? Yes, no क्या रे मेरा भारत महान वो ओटीटी कम देखते थोड़ा जनरल नॉलेज पढ़ लो No, he has never married, has no children. Rumors. No, he is married. Now you ask that. No, he married. He is married but divorced. Huh? Divorce हो गया? Don't know also that also. Divorce will not happen. Only married. Huh? That's all. No, he is married. Let's see that. You are correct. I apologize. Now it is coming to our way. That's saying that. Interactive bots. Not all interactive bots, ma. Suppose we created one good application that is called SQL app application. What the SQL application means? What is the SQL application means? For example, you don't know any SQL query, you don't know any Python query, don't know nothing. Then suppose this is the AI model. It is the AI model. AI model. To the AI model, we are giving some instructions. What are the instructions? I have some database available. The database is this is my database. Now I will write one query. You give me the output as well as the code also. SQL code suppose. So you are asking to AI. When you are talking this with AI this is called prompting. What we call ma? Prompt. What we call prompt. For example, let's see how the prompt is look like. Let's see the prompt. CD CD SQL LLM. Let's look at the prompt. How the prompt look like. The prompt is look like this. I'm just copying this prompt in another text, then you'll understand. Prompt engineering we will learn in our class. You are an expert in converting. Bro, read karo. You are an expert. Read it. You are an expert converting English question to SQL query. The SQL database has the name of what, ma? Naresh IT employee 1 and the following columns. What is the columns are there? Employee name, employee role, employee salary. For example, suppose I'm saying that you should exactly give that. If I am asking you how many entries of records are present, the SQL should say like this. So we are giving some example also. Now the SQL output should not include some slash slash slash, some SQL or any semicolons. Now let's run this. Let's run this. Streamlit run app1.py. Now we are asking one question. What is the question? Provide me the average salary of employees based on the job role. That is our question. So if you know SQL query, you will say very quickly answer. Even though you don't know the SQL query also, you are just writing what, English or not? Satyakiran, you are writing just English or not? Now when you write this answer, ask the question, then it will give the SQL query also, as well as the output also. So both it will give. This is happening because of who? Generative AI. Like that. This is the use cases we can apply. The SQL, any query you can write it. Not only that, we created a generalized chatbot. Narendra Modi, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. Suppose a custom chatbot. Custom chatbot means you want to talk with only Naresh IT. You can ask any question Naresh IT, the bot will give the answer. Like custom bots are there na? When you open some websites like PhonePe or anything, custom bots. And that is called RAG models. That's called LangChain RAG models. Let's see that models also. RAG models. Let's see that CD RAG and Flask only. This we are doing Flask. Python app1.py. Let's run it. So app.py. This is all we need to deploy in the cloud. Sorry, my bad. A custom chatbot. You can ask any question, but this time question is not Narendra Modi. This time question is related to your document. What is your document you fed here? This is my document. This is my document. Speaker, Madam Vice President, our First Lady, Second Gentleman, members of Congress, Justice, the Supreme Court. Suppose I'm just copying this. This is called custom chatbot. This is called RAG models. Nowadays, one of the very, very famous. Now, it is a custom chatbot, a big data. From this, we are asking one question. So let's see which question we want to ask here. So he met with the Ukraine people. Who is he? Vladimir Putin. For example, we'll ask the same question. We'll ask the same question. Who met with Ukraine people? Submit it. Then it will give the corresponding answer. Not only answer, why you are giving that answer? Your question is who met with Ukraine people, and the bot answer is Vladimir Putin met with the Ukraine people, and not for any negotiation, sense of any negotiation. And where you are getting that source documents. This is one of the very, very famous use case nowadays in the generative AI. Every organization is working on this kind of use cases nowadays. So not only that, this is all the models, and when you come into the statistics and everything, we will do from scratch. Scratch means Like I told you, right? We will learn everything from the in front of me only. You should do all the things. So Python will from scratch like this. Suppose Python I'm opening one ongoing batch, morning batch. So currently today dictionaries happened, dictionaries 8 hours ago. Today dictionaries happened. Means I will write. Means I will write everything. For example, I will open the dictionary today class itself only. So I will type here, you should type there in front of me. And I will write the bullet points. You should note down the bullet points. And I will ask you to do what is the analysis. And after each analysis, again we'll make the bullet points. Again make the bullet points. And why it is coming error, what is coming, everything. So apply minimum, maximum, sum, sorted, reversal. I am asking to my students, they are doing that like that. So everything is a completely interactive session, completely. So now, so this is about all your codes. Now I hope you got some clarity now. Not some clarity, you got much clarity. You got much clarity what you are going to do. Online people, please say yes, yes, yes. What you are going to do in this course. Online students, what you are going to do. And next, so tomorrow we'll show some placements offers, how are people are getting the offers, and the freshers experience and everything. And we'll start the Python. And next thing is, very, very important thing is, we need a laptop. Laptop is required, ma. We need laptop. Like I told you, laptop is very, very important. If you don't have laptop, you should buy the laptop. And before leaving the class, I want to say one thing. Look at the board. Here, this class is mainly focused on industry oriented programs only. Like just now you got some idea how we are doing completely industry oriented programs. So definitely you will get job, there is no doubt. So many people get job, especially freshers have so much opportunities. My students, many of the freshers got placed. Experienced people anyhow they will convert, there's no doubt. They'll convert one company to another company. I know how to make to them convert. Freshers, I request only one thing only. We need a cup. We don't want orange cap. That is only class motto. What we need? Cup chahiye. Isala cup namde. We need what? Cup. We don't want always orange cap only. I only have. Okay, you don't have any chance. But cup means what? Cup means what? Job. Cup means what? Job. We need jobs. Our focus is on that only. First day onwards, our focus is only the job only. For that, you should make one help. You need to make one favor for me. The favor is, do you know Arunachalam movie? Huh? Arunachalam movie. There is a superstar Rajnikant is there. I will tell the briefly what is the story. In that story, hero has one task. Hero has some task is there. The task is he need to spend 30 crores in 30 days. That is the task. You can spend now easily, but this is old movie. It is old movie. It's a very, very bumper hit movie. Very, 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 very bumper hit movie. Very, very huge blockbuster. So now in the class Arunachalam part 2. Arunachalam part 2. I want make this movie is utter flop. I want this movie utter flop. What is the meaning of utter flop? What is the meaning of utter flop? Here you are here to study, not for enjoyment. Not for enjoyment. Hostel fee 6,000 per month into 5. Kitna? 30,000. I don't want to waste this money. I want to value for this money. Laptop is 50,000. Laptop is 50,000. 50 plus 80 kya kitna? Pakka you will eat every day outside only. Pakka you will do every day outside only. Every day 500 rupees. Again more 30,000. You will eat alone, you will call your girlfriend. And you need to roam with her. Movies and vagera, such and theater, blah 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 blah. I don't want that. I want flop this. I don't want you to saying successfully do 1 lakh in 6 months. If you spend 1 lakh means you need to get the job in 6 months. Getting what I'm saying? Your movie should be flop. Which movie? Arunachalam Part 2 should be flop. That is only our goal. What is the first goal? We need what? Say loudly. We need what? Loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We need Arunachalam Part 2 movie. Utter flop. Data science is not a 2020 match, ma. Data science is a test match. Okay. Immediately results नहीं होता. 1 month में 2 months में immediately results नहीं होता. But एक बार results आए तो future will be settled. Like that. So much packages are there. So think about and come, and tomorrow onwards our regular class will start with Python. Chalo, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the session. Tomorrow also same link, ma. Same, ma. Admin will share, ma. Satyakiran. Admin will share. Admin will share you, ma. इधर आ जा, ma. इधर आ जा. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बन चुका क्या सर? अभी नहीं, अभी एडमिशन ले लिया. हाँ, हो गया एडमिशन. हो गया, वेरी गुड. Thanks, Santosh. Same timing. Will you talk to admin? Yesterday. So the problem is what happened now. Many of your batch is shipping now. Okay, because of 15 days is that's why they are also not saying. If 1 month is happened, they will ask you extra money. That is. So 15 days means okay, but they will if they will stop you, you should say that no, I will not stop. I want to come like that. You need to fight karne. Generally, some 4 members also joined, I think, already. Boys. So they won't informed you. Who said? Friends from other batch, not this batch, other batch. That only. If you have any other friends also there, now only this is only good chance. That only I'm telling you. Only 15 days is the time, then only they will allow. Otherwise, they will not allow. So talk to admin and clear the payment and what is completed in Python? Pura completed in Python? Pura Python completed, Python. What is the class going on currently? Class. Saying that Python is magazine completed. Jaldi. Got it. I understood. You are coming. सुमित आजा इधर. मैनेजर को मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है. मैनेजर को मैसेज आया ना. मैनेजर नॉट चेक्ड. See, many people are messaging.
Sir, it's challenging for me, sir.
Ah. Just sit. Take a break. Hi Sanjay, hi Prasanna. So Tagore bulk inference is just not that much now, like half an hour we can say. Hmm. 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 How to, yeah. How to export, how to export that is Manasi and Subbalakshmi knows very well actually. Hmm. 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 Take it. Hmm. Take it. Hmm. Understood. Hmm. 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 Take it. Gen playground also will show that we already done something. So. Hmm. 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 Inference, bulk inference, I think, and batch processing one by one. Instead of making parallel processing, sequential process hota na, generally. Any model, any machine learning model is one by one only, na, Sanjay. Maybe that taking time. Hmm. Hmm. That only. That only. Which one, Sanjay? Ah. Hmm. TuneLab में generally bulk inference we are providing the with some file na Sanjay. We are providing some file, right? But in the GenAI playground, yes, we need to provide one by one. The GenAI playground. Hmm. 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 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour, you know, like monthly. Actually, bulk inference is very easy. Sanjay. That is just a 5 minutes. Uh, 8 into 40, weekly 3 times only, 3 into 30.